Good afternoon. On behalf of Chancellor Johnson O. Akinleye and the entire North Carolina Central University community, I'm excited to celebrate this grand occasion, the opening of the School of Business CyberSecurity Lab. I would like to congratulate Dean Anthony Nelson and other members of the administration and faculty of the esteemed School of Business who have made this possible. Today we embark on a new venture that will enhance the school's newest offering to its academic portfolio, the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, with concentrations in cybersecurity and data analytics. We are proud to boast that NCCU is the only UNC system school to offer this program. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, job openings in cybersecurity are projected to grow by 28% from 2016 to 2026. Combined with the Cybersecurity Lab, this program will provide students with real-world practice that will allow them to meet the growing demand for practitioners with advanced skills in the field. Again, congratulations.
We are very excited to welcome a new cybersecurity concentration to our information technology program offerings at the North Carolina Central University School of Business. As the world becomes increasingly digitized, the need for cybersecurity education has become more and more critical. We stand positioned to answer the call. The state-of-the-art equipment that we have here at North Carolina Central University School of Business allows our students to receive firsthand experience and practical application of the ever-evolving skills and techniques needed to be on the front lines of cybersecurity. We are grateful to have been the recipient of resources to support the creation of this cybersecurity lab, specifically created to provide a place where our students can put their hands on the very equipment they will use when they enter into their careers as cybersecurity experts. We truly believe that the future of cybersecurity exploration exists amongst our students and our faculty. So we take very seriously the research and instruction that will be given throughout this academic program.
The need to protect our networks, systems, devices, and data from cyber criminals, cyber threats, and cyber attacks has become imperative for our businesses and society as a whole. The ever-changing and complex strategies, tools, and techniques needed to mitigate security breaches and really become more proactive than reactive in regards to our security policies and practices has made the need for our cybersecurity program and our cybersecurity lab essential for our students to understand, analyze, incorporate, and apply these skills. The future of digital communications and e-commerce transactions are really in their hands. We developed a program that not only speaks to the global need for experts in the cybersecurity industry, but enhances the public awareness of practices that can protect our own digital footprint. This cybersecurity concentration, available in the School of Business, will include classes taught by industry experts and faculty with extensive research and awareness of cybersecurity techniques. Our courses will consist of skills ranging from network defense and countermeasures to cybersecurity risk management, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. Students will not only receive robust instruction in business acumen and principles, but will receive very specific education in cybersecurity forensics, frameworks, and policies.
As a computer information system professor, I am very happy to be able to use this room for instruction. According to research, the bedrock of academia, students remember about 10% of what they read, about 20% of what they hear, about 30% of what they see, and about 90% of what they do or teach others. This cybersecurity lab will offer students opportunities to simulate, model, design, and perform real-world cybersecurity scenarios, either as individuals or groups, in what is called doing the real thing.
We were thrilled at Vines Architecture to work with the School of Business and CyberSecurity Lab team to create a malleable and collaborative classroom environment. Technology integration and hands-on learning played a role in selecting the furniture, using height-adjustable tables for ergonomic standing work with CPUs, and tables with casters that are shaped to support both lecture and group work. Tangential learning can easily take place in one room. Additionally, each table has an individual whiteboard that can assist in collaborative and brainstorming processes, but also allow for partitioning needs for future health crisis preparedness. The chairs are also integrated with storage in order to provide maximum floor space and flexibility throughout the room. As we look forward to the much anticipated new School of Business building, we selected finishes that embodied the new building as a future gateway for the campus with warm wood tones and branded school colors.
As a cybersecurity lab assistant, I look forward to being able to work with students on their various projects and helping them come up with solutions that are innovative and workable. This is a much needed concentration, and I think the students will find a lot of value in the instruction they will receive. I'm excited to gain experience and knowledge that I can take with me throughout my career fair in cybersecurity for business companies.
As I learn more about the industry and acquire the skills and techniques that I need to be an immediate contributor, I look forward to being able to work with my peers to create new and exciting methods to attacking cyber issues and being on the front lines of some of the world's most harrowing threats to how we interact digitally. Through this program, I hope to develop and refine IT skills that will give myself the edge in the job market.
In today's world, no corporation can function safely online without having proper protections for the organization and clients. There are so many potential opportunities, all depending on the interests of an individual. Having hands-on experience isn't just important for students' engagement. Without hands-on, it's just theory. Depending on your direction in cybersecurity, theory will only get you so far.
This new cybersecurity program will help shape the minds and broaden the skill sets of those that will go on to build and secure our cyber infrastructure, as every organization, large and small, is looking for ways to pivot in this wave of digital transformation. Having inclusion and diversity will help to strengthen this once futuristic world that has now become the new norm.
We understand the demand for skilled workers in cybersecurity are expected to surge in 2021 to nearly 3.5 billion security professionals. This program will place our students in the position to seamlessly transition into a valuable corporate employee upon graduation.